in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add SSL on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into the URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is normally going to be your home screen or your main screen on this website. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to go into sign in and fill your username with your password and of course sign in or log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click at sign up to create an account on this website. Do whatever of those, and once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on something like this. Of course, here you will find your domain names, especially when you click at domain list, you will find all the domain names that you have. As we said, we would like to add our SSL on a domain name. So of course, the first thing is just go and navigate into the domain name that you would like to add into it. Make sure to do that in domain list, and you'll find your domain list here. Go and click at manage of the domain name that you would like to add an SSL on it. Of course, you will have to go into this advanced DNS and just check if everything is good for you here. Then go into your SSL certificates. Once you open this SSL certificates tab, as you can see for me, there is no SSL were found. You can purchase some from here. If you don't have, make sure to go and buy some. But if you have it, of course, you'll have an activate button next to the certificates you want to use. Just then, you'll have to paste the CRR code they're provided you with in the corresponding box, of course. And then just select the domain control validation method among the CNAME, file uploading, and email based option. And of course, you'll be good to go after hitting the submit button. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.